The flower sea urchin, Toxopnustis pileolus, is renowned for its alluring appearance, adorned with vibrant florets of pedicellary. Found nestled in Indo-Pacific coral reefs, this creature is deceptively dangerous with its formidable venomous spines. Contact with its venom can cause severe pain, breathing difficulties, and dizziness, a warning of its potent defense system. Beyond its danger, the flower sea urchin is an underwater recycler, playing a pivotal role in nutrient cycling. It grazes on algae, helping maintain the delicate ecological balance crucial for coral reef health. This radiant yet deadly echinoderm encapsulates the intricate interplay of beauty and peril within marine ecosystems, reminding us of the wonders and treacheries that lurk beneath the ocean's surface.